Hello friends, today is super hot day. I'm here in the yard and did some pictures for my vlog and testing this camera, Canon 6D with lens Sigma 35mm 1.4 art lens. Oh yeah, that lens is nice, but sometimes it's still not. I'm still not happy fully with this lens. I mean, it's not too bad, but sometimes you have to find good settings in camera, because otherwise when it's not much sun, pictures are either with not much color or they are over over like dull and no nice settings. I don't know, but here I found setting that it's AV, which makes colors more colorful, and because the manual when I put it's supposed to make background more blurred, but it seems like pictures not that nice, less colors, because this camera 6D has its full frame and it let in many lights inside, and lens is also 1.4 aperture, and it let in many lights when pictures are too light. So my outfit of the day today is, for hot day like 90s, is this tank top from Polish store. Not Polish, but in Poland I bought it, which is Birkenstock store. This is very nice t-shirt for hot days. Actually it's a tank top, flowy one. So, then I'm wearing these shorts from Polish location store, which is Terano, I think. Very nice and flowy and black and flowy. And then I'm wearing sandals or slides from Birkenstock big buckle. See, they are very nice. They have this big buckle. See? And they are from real leather, which is all one. It's all kind of like old and big buckle. And I bought them in a store called Anthropology, but it was not this year event. It was like, I bought it maybe 2 years ago and I forgot to even that I have them, because I put them under bed and I forgot that I have them, and they were there. And then I saw them on someone else wearing them. I saw them on someone else wearing them and I thought, I think I bought them, but I wasn't sure if I keep them or return. So I went on my YouTube and I put Birkenstock sandals and I found them, that I unboxed them. So then I looked under bed with flashlight and actually I found box and yay, I found them. So that's my Birkenstocks. another one, and I still have 12 and it's already September, so I'm going to bed not happy about it. Yeah, nice flowers. But I don't know even if this land is good for filming flowers. So yeah, that's my outfit of the day. Looks like this. And forgot to bring here my Michael Kors bag, so I'm wearing also Michael Kors bag. I will show you, which is from Michael Kors, the one that I did last time because I like it. So here it is. Very nice, has many space, much space, many space. Here has tassel, strap, and another strap. So you can wear it like this on the shoulder, like so. Or you can wear it crossbody. So you can wear it like so, crossbody, like so. You can wear it like this way. And it's nice gold leather, which match perfectly for my Birkenstocks with gold buckles. So that's really nice combination. Oh Jesus, today is so hot. But here in the yard is better than inside. Actually inside is nice when you sit near fan, but here is also nice. I mean, it's cooler a little bit, but it's still humid. And little movement make people tired. Good, I'm not working today because I don't know how I would survive. But I also have Smoothie. Good. It turned out good. So ingredients are full bag of blueberries, small one. Then I put 1 banana. Then I put maybe 10 strawberries. Then I put yogurt, vanilla one, and it was from Walmart. And milk a little bit and few spoons of sugar, and mix it and it came good. Sugar, normal one, white sugar. So yeah, that's what I did. And my prayer also. Here is prayer on beads. Stay praying. This is third intention, almost ending today. But it's 54 days novena to Queen of Holy Rosary of Pompeii. So on those you go like 3 times this all beads, and each tens is one mystery of beads. So first one is called Mary find out that she was born Jesus. Second one is Elizabeth find out about it. Third one is Jesus is born, and fourth one is Jesus is left in the temple, and fifth one is Jesus is found in temple, holy temple. I'm not sure if I translated correctly because I pray in Polish. And then another one, 10 of them is Jesus praying in olive garden when they beat Jesus, when they put crown on his head, what was stings? I don't know. When stings, I think. Then is another one is Jesus carried the cross to the Golgotha mountain or hill when Jesus died on the cross. And then is another one mystery that is Jesus go to heaven. I mean he pass over. When he go to heaven, when it's sent to the earth, the saint Holy Spirit is sent to the earth. When it's Mary is taken to the heaven, and when Mary is, it's said that Mary is the queen of the heaven. So that all mysteries, and on each bead you have to pray. I mean, you pray Hey Mother, and in between you pray, you say prayer Holy Father. And at Vienna is formula that you say 3 times, and then you say some formula about this prayer, and that's one day, each day you do for 54 days, but 27 first days are that you imagine that that intention will come true and you like beg for it, and 27 days another ones are that you thinking that it's already happened and it will come true, and you just thanksgiving or thanking for it like it already happened. And this I'm now praying about I did intention to pass driving license, and in 1 week I have exam, so we will see if this prayer helps. If not, I guess I have to do more lessons or another exam, but I wanted to pray about it and we will see. Okay. Oh yeah, I have to drink my smoothie. Good. Okay, this camera is so heavy. So this one is not really good for vlogging, but more for pictures. I mean, camera can be, but this lens is, I think, better for pictures than vlogging, because even if I put you like this far, then it's still too close, because this is 35 millimeters. So I would have to put it really like this. Not for pictures. I'm doing some pictures for blog. You can check out my blog It's www.meganlikethat.com. Yeah. Meganlikethat.com. And you can check out my blog, my pictures. Okay, so maybe I will vlog later. Now I have to end my prayer on this one, and then maybe I do small walk. But I will put this camera away, maybe take some other camera if I go. And when I do watch TV or internet. Okay, bye.